everybody, Katsy here doing a little midnight crafting. Well, I've just finished my first mask toward the Million Mask Challenge on Facebook, and I followed that link to the tutorial by Sew It Online on YouTube. In it, she has a very easy downloadable pattern, and within 10 minutes of getting all my gear together, I had made my first mask. She shows you that you can use items in your home like twisty tie things, sandwich baggies, and I used cording on this first one, and after I got done I found I had elastic. I love this because it covers more and it form fits to your nose, and it is made of cloth, so you wear it once and then you wash it and you can wear it again. Just doing my part to help us get through this pandemic. So be safe, be healthy. Take your temperature. My temperature today was 97.6. Yay! Yes, I'm an overachiever and I usually like 100, but not in this case. So be well, stay happy, and use that 10-foot pole rule. Don't let nobody come near you. Don't do it. Don't let them. You can say hi from afar. So hi and bye.